First of all, we have several questions. Is market research really necessary? Or we just think about exporting goods? Hello everyone, this is Amin. I already worked as an exporting sales manager in Korea, and I'm going to share my experiences with you all. Is market research important for export business? Market research is a key to be successful in export business. Market research is essential for any business to be successful. While you are going to explore a totally unknown overseas market, it becomes essential. Something without which we can never think of successful in business. Market research is critical to successful export marketing. Knowledge of the target market enables you to determine what motivates buying decisions. It helps you for choosing a location, determine the product or services, establish pricing, and plan a selling strategy. Why do we need a sales strategy? For effective marketing, it is important that you have a good understanding of your target market. This will help you to prepare your marketing strategies and plans. You need to collect the information relevant to your product or services in target market. There are 3 general steps. Secondary market research. Research on your potential market. Secondary research is data and insights that you don't collect yourself. It can include quantitative and qualitative information. Market visit. Visit potential distributors or talking to other companies in the market. Visit market agencies or visiting a supermarket. Primary market research. Direct contact with experts, customers, or other sources of information. Primary research is research you do it by yourself. You hire someone to do for you, like going directly to a source. For example, customers and prospective customers in your target market. You should know about customers' purchasing behavior or what is the demand of products in the market. How do you want to convince buyers for buying your products? How do you want to convince them? Did you ever think how many competitors would you face in the target market? How do you want to sell your products and promote them? And many other questions. These are the questions we are faced with them when we want to start a business, an exporting business. So take a note now. What exactly do we want? Even sometimes we face cultural problems. We need to know what goods we have and to where we export them. If our destination is the Middle East Asia, we should know what goods they like. If I want to say a little more detail, even the color of the products should be according to the Middle East market. Otherwise, you cannot succeed. Even the choice of box or pocket or whatever your products are in is important. Another important point is that we should be careful what kind of goods we exported to what market. We must be careful about the demand market. For example, if we send gypsum from China to America, we will surely fail. Why? Because the United States is one of the largest producers of gypsum in the world. So far, we know what market research is all about. Now we need to see what tools we need to be able to find the customers. In the next video, we will talk about how to find the customer on internet and social media. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel for support and watching more videos. Have a good time.